In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get code from Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to download the files you need, all without getting lost in menus. Start by heading to the Emergent homepage in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, do that as you normally would. Once you're in, open the site or project you want to pull code from. Think of this as choosing the workspace you'll be working with. Opening the correct site ensures the next actions point to the right code base. With your site open, look for the code option in the interface. You'll typically find it in the chat area or a sidebar. Click it to reveal the code access panel. This panel is your hub for getting into the code workspace quickly and securely, and it's where you'll grab a shareable link or launch the editor directly. You'll see a link field, click Copy Link. This creates a secure URL that opens the code workspace tied to your site. It's handy for opening the workspace in another tab or sharing access with a teammate who's authorized to view it. Keep in mind that these links can be time limited or permission restricted depending on your account settings, so use them promptly and only share with people who should have access. Right below, copy the password shown for the workspace if one is provided. This is often a temporary passcode required when opening the workspace from the link. Store it somewhere safe while you're working and avoid pasting it into public channels. If access fails later, return to the code panel to refresh the link or generate a new temporary password as needed. If you prefer not to manage a link and password, just click Open in Browser. This launches the browser-based editor right away in a new tab using your current session. It's usually the fastest route when you're already signed in, and it skips the extra copy-paste steps. Once the editor loads, you'll see the project's folders and files, commonly including a front-end folder along with other parts of your application. Use the File Explorer on the left to navigate. You can open files to preview their contents, and when you're ready to retrieve something, right-click a file or folder and choose the download option. Some platforms will package folders as a zip. If your browser blocks downloads or pop-ups, allow them for this site and try again. That's it. Go to Emergent, open your site, use the code panel to copy the link and password or open in the browser. Then browse to the front end or any other folder and right-click to download what you need. Keep credentials private, confirm you have the right permissions, and you'll have your code in just a few clicks.